Yeah, I mean, you can cut some of that drywall. It won't hurt. Oh.
It'll break almost.
Yeah, probably.
But nobody has inches to give.
Yeah, it's pretty much made to go flat in. So going in at angles and
Really tight. See, we can make that. That's really tight. The closer we get to that crown, the more precise it is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that.
We can get to that. We need to knock this out, but it's just gonna make a huge mess.
It's okay. Don't worry about a mess because we didn't clean in here because we knew we would have to after. But I didn't even think about having to move.
This dude is scary.
Oh, honey. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's better than just staying on the ladder, in my opinion. You gonna pull it from the bottom and maybe it go in?
I think that's what we're gonna have to do is kind of lift its skirt a little bit. It's just a little bit. I might have to go in here and.
It's, it's easily solid.
Okay, let's see here. There we go.
So there's a little bit more than just the
Just
outside.
That is something you don't want to move 4 or 5 times, isn't it?
At least this doesn't weigh as much as the other one does.
No,
Yeah.
This is easy.
This is light.
okay. We need to lower. Let's go cut a half inch off the bottom.
It's right here.
Okay.